Have you ever tried creating an AI chatbot with the help of ChatGPT? Well, that's exactly what we're diving into in today's video. As usual, I started by giving all my requirements to ChatGPT, keeping it simple. The goal was clear. Create an AI chatbot app using Android Studio with Kotlin as the language. And of course, it had to have a modern UI. So ChatGPT, being the helpful assistant it is, guided me through the entire process step by step. The first thing I did was create a new project in Android Studio called AI Chatbot. I set the minimum Android version to 5, and then it was time to start setting up the app's dependencies. ChatGPT gave me a list of dependencies to add to the Build.gradle.kt file, so I did that without hesitation. Next up was setting up the user interface. ChatGPT gave me some layout code for the activity.main.xml file inside the layout folder. I simply created the file, copied and pasted the code, and just like that, we had a starting point for the app's design. But the job wasn't done yet. ChatGPT also suggested that I create a couple of Kotlin classes, Message.kt and ChatAdapter.kt. The Message.kt class is a data class for the messages, and the ChatAdapter.kt class is responsible for displaying the chat messages in the app. I created two KT files, pasted the code provided by ChatGPT, making sure everything was set up correctly. After that, ChatGPT asked me to create the item message.xml file, which is related to background for the chat messages. So I pasted the code in. But that wasn't all. ChatGPT wanted me to go further and create 2 more XML files for the user and bot message backgrounds. These files are responsible for create background for texts sent by the user and by the bot. So I created the user message background.xml and bot message background.xml files and pasted the respective code in each. With the UI and structure in place, the last big step was to work on the main activity.kt file. ChatGPT gave me the final Kotlin code for this file, and after pasting it in, I ran into a few errors, but nothing too serious. I corrected them within a few minutes. Then I built the project and ran the app in my Android device. Boom, an error appears. A quick check in the logcat revealed some exceptions. After digging a bit deeper, I pasted the error into ChatGPT, hoping for a solution. And guess what? ChatGPT identified the issue. It had to do with the theme of the app. The fix was simple. Add a couple of dependencies in the Build.gradle KTS file, tweak some things in the Android manifest XML, and update the colors XML file. I made those changes, tried again. Excited to test it out, I built and ran the app on my Android device. The app was working perfectly. The chatbot was responding to my questions with predefined answers. I tried asking things like, "Hello, how are you?" and "Bye," and it replied accordingly. But if I say "Hi," app doesn't know how to answer. The UI looked great, and the dark theme added a nice touch to it. But, and this is where it gets interesting, while the app was functional, it wasn't exactly an AI chatbot just yet. It was more of a basic model. The app only answered questions I had pre-programmed into the code, so it wasn't truly AI-driven. But this is just the beginning. In the next videos, we'll explore how to take this basic version and make it more advanced AI chatbot. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. See you in the next video.